Hey, what's up? It's Panupon, and welcome to my game project. I'm making a video game using Unity engine. I'm a solo game developer, so enjoy the show. Okay, if you stop by, feel free to say hi or asking me anything. Fuck you. Sorry about that. If you have question about anything, you can ask me. I try to answer. Okay. To all intents and purpose, I make it live just to keep track myself with the real-time world. Or I get lost like, and then 1 hour gone because I'm a solo dev. This is a real life solo dev. You're gonna lost in time if you don't have anything to reference. Okay, I don't know if you understand. And keep myself talking as well. This is kind of important because I need to improve my speaking. Okay, I'm making a soul-like ARPG like a Elden Ring, but in 2D, inspired by a lot of games. Basically, copy my favorite idea. So let's check it out. It shouldn't take long today because I came late. I plan to do today is on the status page. I think I done all the rough design and calculation as well. But okay, this is an inventory. This is crafting. This is status. Yesterday I just do until I can select it. Select each status using keyboard arrow or mouse or gamepad as well. Okay, my gamepad is not good. So today I plan to try add some level, and then when I add some level, I should be able to get some attribute point and abilities, and I'm gonna try to add here, and I'm gonna hide and show this button. When your attribute, for example, when you increase your status, you're gonna have, if you don't do anything, we're gonna hide this button. Okay, let's do that. And then you increase it, we're gonna show it. And to confirm or reset, confirm, cancel, confirm, cancel. Okay, let's try to do increasing. Okay, I don't use gamepad anymore. My gamepad is not good. It's 1 year already, and I play video game every day. So, okay, so I need another script then. Update, probably. Update. So let's try increasing. Let's do the hardest thing first, and then we do description, footer, later. Button is okay now. I'll check it later because animation I'm using this for square rectangle. It's not really fit with normal rectangle. So I'm gonna change that later. But now Let's try increase, decrease at some level, and then gonna calculate the points we have here. And if I wanna increase and decrease it, okay, I'm gonna keep that scriptable object. I need another script called stat. I have this one called stat calculator already. This one I use stat calculator. Okay, let me check. Let's pause, exit the game. So, what stat dot info stat calculator. Stat calculator I use to calculate the final base stat that we're gonna get here. I see my head is too big. That's gonna block the view. Okay, how about that? Okay, okay, alright. So I have calculator for all this final. So I'm thinking about the name of the script that I'm gonna create. It's not it's not what you think that I'm thinking about something more important. It's just the name, and I'm struggling. I'm still struggling with that. Okay, I don't need this anymore. I delete that. So this one is stat calculator. It's just to put the right point on there. Stat creator. And creator. Okay. I also accept the button selection or mouse over creator. So that means every time I update the number in here, I have to go here. Yeah, I have to go here to update. Okay, we can update that later. We just have to get a new script for that. And I'm gonna call it status leveler. What the fuck? I'm so struggling with the name. Leveling. Status leveling. Leveling. Stat leveling. Can I use leveler? I have calculator. So can I use another word for that? Any synonym for calculator? Status calculator. Updater. Computer. Status computer. So status updater. Spending. Increase. Basically, I'm gonna use it for increase and decrease it, or confirm or cancel it. So the most appropriate word that I'm gonna use it should be status updater. Do they even have this one in dictionary? updater. What do they use when we update window? Updater in it. Window update. Update available. Okay. How will we updater? Update. Modifier. So I spent more probably 1 hour for thinking about the name. Status modifier. How about that? I kinda like it. Modifier. Modify. Adapter. Changer. Modifier. Yeah, modifier. Up and down. Update they kinda up only for the new version. Modify you can up and down. Use modifier. Amplifier. That's an increase. Increase sound. Modifier. If no one argue with me, I'm gonna use this modifier. No one can argue with me. Status. Modifier. We have calculator and modifier. Updater is a kind of no kind of update something. We need to modify for the better. So modifier. Yeah. Let's create status modifier. Let me double check cal vocab here. Alright, okay, cool. Now I'm gonna have a stat modifier. And this one gonna receive button increase and decrease, confirm and cancel. Confirm, cancel, yep. Increase and decrease. Confirm and cancel. Okay. So is this good? I didn't increase the size of it. Okay, I should show you here. Alright. I'm opening isolation. If I change it in the scene, it's gonna just temporarily change it. So I have to open it from the original folder and put that new script in here. Close to creator, between creator and calculator, because when we modify it, we're gonna update both of them. Oh, and I need to show like what number is gonna change in the base stat as well, like yellow color, that is gonna become this. Yeah, gonna update real time. Okay, probably gonna do a lot here. Status modifier, so I need level. I have modifier in here. What I need is level and current attribute points and ability points, which is I have it in my player status. I have level here, current HP, FP as well. I have ability class. Okay. Oh here, attribute points, ability points, just right there. Alright. So should I calculate it by myself or just take it from database? Do I save it to database? Okay, let me check the player model real quick here. Player model. Player data. Player data. Skippable data. Okay. I see. I save all the attribute points. Ability points as well. I can just actually calculate it like, but maybe it's useful to save it. Yeah, I can't have the feeling that if I want something temporarily to show, yeah, we still need the O part of it, maybe. Alright, so update class 1, okay. Alright, I saved it already, so okay, I'm gonna use that. So instead that modifier, how about that? We're gonna need player status, and we probably gonna modify that number in this script right away. Yeah, let's do that. Probably encoding here as well. Yeah, and when you increase it, not confirm it yet, we're gonna use yellow color. We like yellow, everything yellow and red, because we familiar with it. When we go to the intersection, and the first thing you see is green or red. We see it every day, green. Okay, I'm gonna use green color as well. But I'm gonna use it for what? I already used green color in my one grade of level, which is special grade. I use green color. I probably use green somewhere else as well, but maybe just use white. White is available. Okay. Okay. All right. So we need button to click to update. Call. That means I need to work with calculator or not. controller. So today I need controller modifier, and after we done modifying, we're gonna update creator and calculator later. In calculator, we only need player status. Yeah, and we're gonna update that. Yeah, we update player status, and then it's gonna recalculate everything. And on player, on status creator as well. On player creator as well. They only need player status to calculate. Okay, let's do it. Model player status. Yeah, skip table status. My thumbnail using the level up angel in Ragnarok Online. Can I use that? Yeah, why not? Okay, I need to be quick a little bit today. I'll make it short. Modifier, right? First thing I need is doing is start master. Oh, even in creator, we don't even need start master here. All I need is player status. Maybe we don't need start master. Delete that. We don't need attribute. Delete that. Update cursor event. That's what I did yesterday. Okay, we need current index. Exit control. Okay, let's copy out this. We need player say start. Exit control now. The current index. Okay, index. Yep, current index. That means we're gonna need all that text here. We're gonna update number with. And I'm gonna use tag mespo. Tag track messing ball. Tag mess with me, please. TMP. Okay. Alright, now we need index. So we can update number of it. Oh, and where we show attribute point, we have to show it as well. Attribute point probably in the info. Really, I update attribute point Yeah, in the info, I say. Attribute point header. Okay, that's fine. That means I need attribute header as well. Attribute header and ability header, because I gotta update the number of the attribute point and ability points. Okay, it's not array. So come first. Yeah, I need that. Okay, and maybe I just update it here. Info status. Status is player status. Player status. Alright. So I have player status current index. Start tag. And how can I know which tag? Which that is which tag? So this is a creator. Okay. So it said where you player start. I see. And I'm just have to modify. Update. Update. Start. And then I need to update to know increase or decrease. Yeah. So, okay. So it's gonna be different method. One is increase start. One is decrease. I spell it right? Do I spell it right? Decrease. Yeah, see. Increase. Okay. So what is increase? One is decrease. And then and just need to know the current index of the start. That's it. And then I'm gonna increase it. And if current index is 6 or 7, okay. So we probably gonna hide 6 and 7. Only show when we increase it. Okay, let's do that later. Alright. That means we're gonna update that. use start text the index with current index here. Dot value gonna equal to I see. So we need to cache all the start value first, like that. So we need start value. Are they gonna change when they change? No. Okay. So we need current value first. Update that value. So we need to update that value here and here as well. Kind of duplicate work. But if I don't do this, I will never know which one. But if I do this, I just have to use this. Set text. Not to string. Yeah, let's do that just like that. But I need to know the current index of it. That's why. And we're gonna use just a temporary in stat. Let's call temp stat. Gonna equal to that one plus one, or just plus plus. That's it. And the one is gonna be minus minus, but gonna be oh, I see. I need to make sure they cannot increase more than attribute that they have. So every time I have to calculate attribute point here. Okay. I need something to store that. Attribute points. And this guy there, not original one. is a current, not original. Current, very long here. Can use current attributes. No, attribute point. So attribute point gonna um, store the temporary that we that is this one can be increased or decreased, but we're not gonna confirm it yet. So kinda okay. Alright, we need original here. Original value from the player start. Keep that. And then we need another one for to confirm it. Okay. Original value and modify value, and when you do it right, the range of character gonna be aligned like that. Original and modified. Yeah, when you do it right, everything gonna align like that. I'm kidding. Original stat value, maybe just value, because we all know that it's a stat. And we also need original attribute point as well. Original and modify. Gonna be like that. Modify attribute point and original attribute point. This one can be stat. Make everything long. Yeah. Original stat. Probably cat. That's it. Original attribute. Stat. And we also need ability as well. Ability. So modify ability. Modify attributes. Modify stat. Original stat. Stat including attribute and ability. So, and that's just to update. Okay. Hola. Poly Bay. How are you? What's that? To be a positive live chat. Okay. Never mind. Never work with C sharp before, but some of it seem pretty cool. Yeah, C sharp, its feature is pretty cool. I think that's why they use C sharp for Unity engine game. So what do you usually work with? Java. Something. Java is famous. Java and C sharp is really similar. It's a different company. C sharp by Microsoft and Java is by Oracle. If you know Java, C sharp is easy. Same thing. Different syntax. Some people think C sharp is like a C++. No, it's like a Java. And I think it's easier to use than the Java. Because it comes after Java, that's why they make it easier. Something you can't do in Java, but you can do in here. Minecraft mod, cool. Yeah, many programmer they they like making mod bot cheating. Oh yeah, Java เลย Oh they use Java เลย Minecraft. I don't know. Minecraft you have to ask Mr. Sir North. You know North who create this Minecraft game, right? Programming language. So it's Java, yeah. Minecraft using Java. Yeah, the coding language that Minecraft use is Java. Okay, he used Java, not. I actually know a lot of Java before, but now I know a lot more in C sharp now, and only for make using Unity engine. Other than that, I don't know. So if you want to make anything in Minecraft, you're gonna use Java. Make a bot and open it 24 farming 24/7. Oh, why? Java is a foundation of OOP language, object oriented programming. Java is very good foundation. So if you know Java, after that everything else is easy. Yeah, yeah. In my opinion, Java is the good start for learning OOP language, object oriented programming. You learn Java and then you can understand C sharp right away. Or other language as well. They develop using OOP. JavaScript, something like that. So your friend just don't tell you to learn it because it's hard at the beginning. Yeah. But it's up to you as well. It's your decision. For me, Java give me foundation. But if you want something quick, like product, you want to make something, you can jump into whatever it make it fast. Like website, they have many language. App, mobile app, they have many language. So you can just jump into that. Yeah. Don't need to learn Java. Yeah, actually, you don't really need to. If you don't use it, so you don't need to because it's gonna take some time. Yeah, just just uh just make sure you're gonna use it. That's it. You can learn Java at any time. Go back and forth and see how it works. Yeah, depends on what you wanna do. Yeah, I would recommend don't do it. Don't learn it if you don't use it because it takes time. Mobile right now they have like a lot. They have a language from Facebook as well. What does it call? Another one from Amazon. Right? I think Amazon developed their own. Yeah, just use their language. Yeah, I think nowadays you don't need to learn foundation much. Java is not out yet, but what is the Java version now? The latest version is what? 20. Java 20. Back then I have Java 7. I learned Java 7 and each version have different something different. Seriously? 70. Oh, NES game. Oh yeah, they use C, right? NES game. Yeah, most of game they use C and C++. Yeah, in the in history, they use C, C++, and now they start to use um, JavaScript and then C sharp. Of course, they use C, C++ a lot. Maybe Nintendo Switch as well, I guess. Assembly. Good luck. Yeah, you have two choice, right? Yeah, assembly, like good luck. Assembly is the first language that I learned. It you can do. It's not flexible. It's like you have to do code by code, line by line, something like that. Not really flexible. Assembly is the first language I learned. The second is C, and then C++, and then Java, and then whatever. I don't care anymore. I just jump into editor, and whatever editor use, I just follow that syntax document. That's it. Like Unity, they use C sharp. I just use C sharp right away. I don't even learn it. But it just look like Java. That's why. Assembly. Yeah, they always have option for you. I used to make a mobile game as well. They have C++ or JavaScript, so I use JavaScript. Oh yes, it's fast though. It's fast. If some easy stuff, yeah. Of course, compiler, assembly, nothing. It's not like compiler of Java, C, C sharp or C++. C++ still better than Java. Java compiler sometimes slow, but it's stable though. But kind of headache. Before you can use Java, you have to set up JDK. What else? J, JBean editor. Got a lot of editor. Gotta make sure that editor support that Java as well. And even I'm using C Sharp right now, I don't use Microsoft Visual Studio. It's too heavy, like many gigabyte, and then I just use this one, Visual Studio Code, not Visual Studio normal one. Code is very light, huh? Man, not not gigabyte something, and it's just megabyte something, and just simple. But if you work for company, maybe you have to use the big one, so you can have option to work with someone else, with coworker, share GitHub, whatever version. But by myself alone, I use the lighted one. Yeah, but make game. Good luck using assembly. You're gonna go through like 1,000 lines of code because you cannot have more option. Create object, reference that. Do they even have? Do they even have a array assembly? If you don't have array, then you're done. Assembly, right? It's a long time ago. I already forgot it. What are array in assembly language? And even I think even they have it, they're gonna have limited number. No, I don't think so. So C is better, far more better. Oh, I see. Yeah, Yeah, you can. I already see it, but it kinda headache. It's not simple to do it. Yeah, and if you think assembly is not boring enough, you can try COBOL language. Many banks they use COBOL back in the day. We don't teach in school, but if you apply for the bank, they're gonna have a course for you to learn COBOL. You know it, like the hard code language, hard code programming language. Good luck. Yeah, I know one of they do a system for stock market using COBOL language. Very old. COBOL is like good luck. Java is more flexible. JavaScript, yeah, JavaScript is really good. Now you can use JavaScript making website, mobile app, and it kind of multi-platform as well. Yeah, financial. Yeah, yes, of course, because not many people know COBOL language. So if you know COBOL and if the financial system still use COBOL, then you're gonna got more pay, more paycheck because you a rare person now using COBOL language. Oh, yeah, yeah, but some of them they can't change though, right? They can't change because it run 24 hours, so they just keep using it. Yeah, I think I have some of my friends know COBOL and they got more paid, but it's boring. So you get some, you lose some. So I make game because even though it's hard, but at least it's fun. Or this one, this when you modify your attribute, uh, when you decrease your stat. This one, So I call it stat modifier. Stat modifier. When you level up and you got some point and you use that point to increase and decrease if you change your mind, then you decrease. So that's why I need to cache the original one and modify one. So modify one we not decided yet. The original one is the old one. Once we decided that, we're gonna change original one to modify one and save it, something like that. So, and I have method. One is increase, one is decrease. I'm gonna separate them because when we first come to this script, I'm gonna use them go through. I'm gonna let them go through update and then use public. So only public method can access from outside, and from the outside it's gonna access um, controller controller gonna get into here and gonna decide increase or decrease. That's it. Yeah, do you see that? I can show you here. Yeah, yeah, but I have to run it if you want to see. Yes, give me a minute. I just compile it. So I just have to set modify of the current index of the stat equal to the original one plus 1 when increased. Alright, there we go. This is how it look like. I'm opening it right now. So basically when you start a game and then you open the screen like that, it's gonna be inventory, crafting, inventory, and inventory, crafting, and then stat. Just 3 page. Yeah. And this one stat. And I'm working on that. There you go. This one. Attribute, abilities, stat, like this one strength, deck AG, wit in and endurance. And on the right hand is the final result of that combined with the whatever is on equipment. Like sword here, you have attack, crit, accuracy, speed, something like that. Armor, you have HP, FP, but you not equip anything right now, right? Then it's just like that. FP, FP, SP, 200, 100, 100. But if you put this one on, it's gonna be 320, 111, 116, like that. And also using attribute to calculate bonus as well. I'm done all the calculation. Right now I just have to do increase, decrease it, and you're gonna see in real time here. So put sword on it, then you have more attack or not. Okay, I have to hold it, not just equip it, because you're gonna have action to select weapon. But I haven't made a command to select to hold it yet because it's gonna be in the gameplay. So I can manually check mark here. Manually put a check mark on here. So inventory, equipment, main weapon, slot 1. I just check, hold it. That's it. Now it hold this one. And then you have more attack here. 120 something. But if you take it off, there you go, back to 100. I'm done calculation. Right now I just want to increase, decrease this. That's it. Right. If you have recommendation about it, please let me know. Maybe I have a new idea about that. So I'm gonna increase, decrease this. Oh, I didn't do it by myself. I just bought it from the game asset store. All the game artists they made all the game asset and they sell it. You just have to find a good fit one and then buy it. Or if you want to do it yourself, so go ahead. Yeah, I'm the same. It's far better than I could do, so I just buy it. Just buy it. Well, I have to do it by myself. When someone is already do it better than I can do it, and I can buy it. And it's not expensive as you think. It's only expensive when you hire them to make it for you. But this one, they already made it and they just sell it. Or maybe they don't want to use it and they sell it. And I just grab it for a lower price. It's totally different when you buy it and you hire someone to design for you. Totally different price. It's kind of something that they don't use anymore. No, I'm kidding. Someone they like do like this their main job. They design and then they just sell it on game store. And we have more like this every day. People just get into here and make more stuff and sell it every day. So you don't have to do it by yourself anymore. They have from graphic until sound effect. Yeah, even character, everything. So, and it comes with license, so no worry about that. You can use the same thing as I use right now, and it's still legal because we both have the license. Yeah, about that. Safe, so 100% safe. I saw a lot already. So I think I will never make graphic by myself, or I have to go back to school, which is I'm done. I'm done with school. Please. Yeah, so basically when go to increase method, I just have to increase it, and this one I just have to decrease it. But you're gonna have maximum and minimum you can increase. Depends on attribute you have. Depend on point you have. Okay. So every time you increase it, the attribute point gonna be reduced. And how do we know if we increase attribute or abilities? So we're gonna check here. If current index value is here 1 to 3, 0 to 5 is an attribute. So we're gonna check that. Parameter, right? By more than one. Yeah, yeah, I have it. Oh, or you mean increase for more than one at a time? Uh, at once, right? Oh, yeah, yeah. But this one, every time you click one click, it just come here right away. It's not final calculation. Like every time you click one click, it just come here right away. So I just press one. That's it. It's kind of real time action here. To method here. It's not a final calculation yet. So I just store it, right? Using modify like a temporary one. Because if you're gonna do that, gonna confirm button at that time. Yeah, I'm gonna increase more than one. Yeah, this time like real time update here. When you click, gonna go to this method and then select which method and just increase one, decrease one. Yeah, but I want to check as well that maybe I check. So I have two groups here. I have two groups. Maybe I should separate more than just two methods. Maybe four methods. Increase attribute, decrease attribute, increase ability, decrease ability. Separate. Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna, I'm gonna do I'm gonna do it now. If I start to feel like I'm about to get headache about something that sharing the same method, I'm gonna make a new method. Just like that. So this one, update. No. Increase attribute. This one. I just separate them right away in update here before get into for method. So increase attribute, decrease attribute. This one, ability, and decrease ability. Yeah, and this just increase or decrease one at a time until they press confirm, and that's gonna be the final. And gonna increase more than one. Yeah, that one. And it's gonna be modified this one gonna be parameter for that. Gonna keep this one plus every time. Okay, now I don't have to check. There you go, just like that. And then if it's a attribute, I just decrease the attribute. So same go. Yeah. Modify attribute just like that. So I need a start up first then. Modify attribute. So I need the original one first. Oh, hold on. I see. I can't do this. I have to establish like really first one here first. Okay. I need something before that. Okay, I can do this. Like this one. And then in this point, I just like that. Same with this attribute. I need the original one first. And original gonna be actually original just get right away from player setup dot attribute point. Yeah. So let's put it up there. Modify. But this one I need to store because I don't know which index is index. So and we only need current there. And this one we just plus plus. And another one just do the opposite way. So minus minus is plus plus. But first we need that original from the database, that one. That's it. Right, so plus plus not more than. Yeah. So if modify attribute is 0, then return. Don't do anything. That's max. And for this one, it's not 0. It's gonna check if the equal to the original one. If this one equal to the original one, then return before update. And that one just check the attribute point. is how you block the action. And then we're gonna update text inside there. And what should I do with the text? Okay, it's gonna be number of the current one or the modified one. But I'm gonna use yellow color. Do they have option in the set text to make it yellow? So I don't have to write it by myself. Set text color. Text mesh bold. Do they have it? Probably not. If they're not, if they don't have it, I have to use. We have set color. Okay, I haven't tried. We have set text. We have anything else here? Set character array. Can you do that? Or color something. Oh, there we go. They have color here. Here, they have color here. But that means all the text. Okay, gonna be yellow. How about that? Can do this. There we go. I just set just like that. And then if we cancel, we're gonna change it back to white. That's it. Okay, let's try this. So we set text and then set color. Should we show two number at a time? If we show two number at a time, we're gonna have two color. So I only have increase, decrease just to decrease to the original value. That's it. So I only use one color for increase. And if it's equal to original, then color gonna be white. Okay, let's play around that first. Alright. Okay, level. I don't need to check level now. Just attribute. Okay. Modify attribute. Okay, let's play around with that. Set tag here as well. Okay, we check color here. And let's cache color over here. color yellow color yellow. We need white. Okay, so we can set color here. Plus, okay. And when decrease it, we're gonna check if equal to this one, original start. Then we're gonna use white instead, or it's gonna be yellow. No, we just have to check it back to white if that color white here. When that so we check back and forth. Okay, so we decrease, modify start, and then plus back, plus back to that. So we better set color first. Alright, and check. So we need to know increase or decrease first. And using button, different button, we have click and left click and right click. Okay, so what we can do is to check, need to check here. No, we need scriptable object. Boolean for that. Is increasing start. CIE A is is increasing stat. Value, and then we're gonna check the index of it. Now we have two if current index of value less than 6, then we go here. Yep. And if in current index of value more than 7, we go abilities. Yeah. And if increasing value does that. If it's not increasing, then you're gonna go decrease, but different. This one gonna be decrease attribute and decrease ability here. Alright, so we have two buttons. One button gonna set that to true, another button just set this to false, and then go to that. So we only go to index 0 to 5 or 8, 9. That's it. Okay. And then we set tag of that current index. So basically at the very bottom we use the same code at the very bottom. You'd modify start current index to stay. Maybe we can move them out somewhere. Yeah. Basically, let's call set tag. Because they all duplicate here. And we just put that there. We're gonna use current index anyway and modify stat anyway. What we have to do is just to set color. Make sure we set the right color. That's it. It's a modify attribute. Same here. Gonna be modify abilities. That means we need original. Set the original ability first. Ability points. And then start modify it. Same go with this, but gonna be ability instead. We share modify stat. content original start from the beginning, from whatever it is, attribute or ability. So okay, cool. And then for this one, so it's done. Abilities. Okay, it's done. This one, yep, same, but this one plus. Okay, then set tag final. When we start changing this value, update that value. Okay, so we need modify one. So we don't need original one because original we don't change. Okay, we need original start because we need to know the current index. But for ability, we only need to know the modify one in order to save it. If we don't save it, we just use the old one. That's it. Okay, don't do confirm and cancel yet. Just increase and decrease first. And same go with this. Set it back to color white when it's equal to the original one. And then set tag. Maybe I just set color another one. Set tag, set color. And check only if it's equal to original one or not. That's it. If modify one equal to original one, then we use color white, or we're gonna use yellow. And that's it. We're gonna use all that. Same here. There we go. If it's equal to original one, we set it back to color white. If not, it's yellow. That's it. And when we start, when do we start cache the value of it. We start cache it when attribute is not equal to modify attribute is not equal to the original one, then we have to start to cache it. Okay, basically when we start to increase it, I see. Okay, modify equal to original. Modify equal to original, and then okay, we start to cache that value when we start increasing it. We start increasing. I'm gonna go to this one, and if it's not equal to original one, oh, if it equal first, yeah, if it equal first, update that value. Let's call it update that. Update modifier. Update that. Okay. If modify attribute equal to that, then we start to set update. Let's go. It's actually the setup established. Hey, what's up? All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Have a good one. Have a good day, man. Sweet dream. Good luck. You too. Yeah, it's late now. It's crying. It's like 3 a.m. something. Good luck. And today is Sunday. Like, okay, weekend. Good night. I didn't see chat moving here in my phone. So, okay. Good night. So my phone just stopped like that. Maybe I'm gonna go to. Let me see the result first. So I have to reopen it. Right. Chat just stopped moving. Okay, I just have to update here. Another if in here. Okay. If to be both of them. When increase only, yeah. We're gonna update first, or the attribute here. Ability here. We have to update it. Okay. So we keep track. Okay. Okay, that means I need original one now. Original. Right. If it's equal or not. And not order. It's gonna be and. Both of them. If both of them equal, then update. On enable. How about that? Just on enable and then we set everything. And then update. Okay, we can update on enable. Yeah, just like that. So don't even need to check this. And don't need original anymore. then when we save it, we just set it again. That's it. Alright. Set color. Now we only need to make a controller. Okay, I'm gonna finish this soon. So, alright, so I need controller for that to change this one. Increasing stat for object and using button mouse. There you go. Two of that. So for this one, action here. Gonna check if it's on. Okay, but basically we check it to true. Not value. This one same. False. And we're gonna call that modifying stat. Modifying stat. If you do it correctly, it's gonna be a line just like that. I'm kidding. Selecting, modifying. So, but if it's not click on, you have to check cursor as well. If cursor is not on that, I think I have some on selection, right? On creator, cursor on. I don't have. Okay, I see. Is cursor on status? I haven't created one in it, or I haven't used it yet. Now I'm gonna use it now. Actions 0, action 1. If cursor is not on, then return it. But when you click OK, set that to 0. That's fine. Don't mind. That's it. And this one just call. Set that modifier. That's it. So I have to grab what? Increasing stat. Create a new one. Create boolean check for that. Is increasing stat. Yep, increasing stat. Current date, just grab it. Status, just grab it. Stat tag, stat text. Just grab it as well. And make sure it's in the right order. Starting with deck in. Okay. header as well. Okay, I have to have the header as well. Almost forgot that. Damn, almost forgot this one. Okay, so controller I got to create. No, just grab that cursor on start. I have it. Just this one have to create and update. Now I got to update this header. Yeah. Okay. Got to make it another one then. Okay. I'll leave it here for now. Thank you very much. So this one set header attribute header. And another one ability header. Attribute and ability separate. And we don't need to set color in it. Attribute header. Okay. Yeah, we don't have to. Okay, so that means I have to grab that attribute header tag as well then. Or can I just set tag of that? Or set everything here? If I set everything here, I have to set it at the beginning. And it's already set here in the info. So maybe I just have to grab the text box of it. No, I need all of them. Okay, I need asset. Let's see. A text box as well. Okay, I have that, but I don't have. Okay, it's a player status. But this time we're gonna use modifier instead. The number of that. No, not that. Attribute ability modifier ability modifier attribute and set attribute header in attribute set attribute header the one ability header or anyway I can make it just header then header and then how can I know If you modify which one? So I have to check this one. Okay. Or update, just update both of them. Don't mind. Just update both of them. Not much work there. Do two work at a time. Just because I want it to look clean. You update no matter what. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's compile that. And we just have to grab all object that we need and create some. And that's it. Compiling. Done. Open this in isolation. So what we need, cursor on stat. I think I already have that somewhere. There you go. It's in Boolean. Screen status struct. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, which cursor on stat? Okay, modifying same object. Modify update. QQ. There we go. Increasing stat. I have to create that. Okay, now that's a lot here. Alright. Okay, let's get the easy one for info. Okay, that tag attribute header, abilities header, player status, current index. There you go. Okay, attribute headers. So it's subheader left. Subheader left. This attribute header. Okay. And ability header is inside here. Okay, and start text. We have in creator start text. We have tens of them. Just copy this one. So it's just text. We don't deal with frame. So that's it. And we have to create one boolean. Yeah. So this one gonna be is increasing stat. that on controller here. And we're gonna check it there in modifier. That's it. So let's manually put some attribute on it. And if it works, then that's it for today. Don't care about level now. Just manually put attribute and abilities points, and let's increasing and decreasing. What an error is that? Can you be kind to me? All is okay. Fuck me. I haven't created the size of it yet. On awakening. There you go. On awakening. Right way. Modifier. On awake. You create a size of that. There you go. Okay. We compile that. Stop the game. So I just forgot to define the size of that when we started. That's why it's error there. So recompile it. 20 seconds already. Just one line. Okay. 25 seconds. Not bad. Alright. Another error. What now? Okay, modify stat as well. Great. Two of them. Same thing. Alright. Recompile that. Stop the game. So I forgot again. Because here I have two of them. So array, we need to define the size of it first before we're gonna do something about it. And the size is the same, 10. 10 stat. It's actually 8 stat. But another two is just button. Confirm and cancel. Okay. Let's see. Any error this time? It's okay with compiling for me. Oh my god. It's raining. Okay, no error now. I'ma manually put stat on it real quick before my electricity might shut down again. Player stat, right? Let's put attribute point like 10 of each, then open that. Okay, we have 10, right? There we go. And we increase it. Okay, decrease, but it didn't change the text here. How about that? Okay. Okay, that decreased. But this one doesn't decrease. Alright, what now? Update. Why didn't it change for me? Color didn't change at all. Modify stat. Attribute 0. No, it's not. Modify stat current value. Yeah, grab current value. Current index. Current index is what? So it get in here for sure. It's update header for me. With modify that current index more than 7. Increase ability. Oh, I didn't do anything in here. That's why. Okay. Okay, but why it didn't update text for me? It should set text for me and set text current value. Why didn't it set text for me? Accuse you. Modifier stat text like that and still 1. But player stat. Why it's not increasing for me? Okay, let me stop the game for now. First, I didn't do anything in increasing ability yet. Shit, it's brand new. So in ability, just do the same thing, but ability must be minus minus. And text header is set properly. Only the set color. I see. Maybe I have to do plus plus here. Right. Minus minus here. Is that what you want here? But why attribute is okay then? And then go set okay. I see, because header they didn't check anything. Maybe because of that. So instead of I'm gonna do this then. Plus equal 1. If it doesn't work, this one minus. Alright, let's see. Hope they save my attribute points and abilities. Alright, let me compile that. for this time. Sometimes I don't understand plus plus after the value. Sometimes it didn't work right away. Maybe it needs one more step for that. Okay, let's see. No, it didn't work. But it's update there. Okay, yeah. Okay, this one work. What the fuck? This one work. Same code. Oh, okay. Maybe I use array. No, this one also array. Okay, there you go. This one work. So click to increase it. If not on the right one, okay, this max, you decrease and increase this max 5. There you go. But this one doesn't work. Oh, I saw something. What the fuck is this? Minus. Are you kidding me? What the? Now it start working. Are you kidding me? Something weird. Something weird. With the attribute. Ability is fine. Attribute. So players do exact same thing with attribute or abilities. One it doesn't work, one it works. And I'm pretty sure now it's about that plus equal there. Increase ability, yeah. On enable, I set up everything just like that. And then when it increase, if equal to 0, then return, but it's not because it update header, but it didn't update text properly using modify stat, which it should be plus equal 1. Alright, let's try one more time then. Still doesn't see anything weird because it works well with abilities, not attribute. Index 5. Less than 6, more than 7. So it shouldn't crash each other. Current index less than 6. This one okay. But use why do the same the O text Maybe I haven't changed that. I see. The asset tag header. No, it's not. Why they use the old tag? Yeah, why they use that font asset? Why they don't use my new one? Well, actually, it didn't set properly. Okay, let me start one more time. So they still use a old text box or text font. Yeah, I already bought it. A new one. Please. Okay. How about this? Okay, cool. Header. Okay. Confirm. Okay. Alright. Why 0? This one doesn't work. What? Huh? I have to click 2 times. Are you kidding? And that's why that is a 0 there. Start. Use the start. Okay, let's set it 1. 1. And why is yellow? Okay. Close it. Open it. Increase, not increase. Okay. Go there. I see. it's okay. What the? So the first two was that means it's zero then. That means when I started it's zero. On the way, yeah, one on the way is zero. So um, on the way, okay, zero. But when on unable, I set it equal to that already. Oh, but I haven't had the current value yet. I see. Okay, got it. All right, gotcha. Got you. Okay, got it. All right. Okay, I have to set all that to one, or they will never know. I mean, have to set all modifiers that are equal to original one first. Yep, it should work now. Yep, the time should work, and then I'm done. Okay, to calculate level is easy. The head end one is exp now. I don't have a I don't have a formula yet, and I need to understand the meaning behind of the XP number for each number 0 to 1 million. I need to understand each number correctly. Right, let's try this time. Shoot. Good, right? Yes, thank you. How about that? I like that. Hmm. Why exit? Why exit? Oh, it's not. Maybe it's an illusion. Maybe or not. Why I saw something 11. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Okay. It's an illusion. Okay. Of course. It can. Yep. Okay, it worked now. And I think this is good enough. You don't need to saw two number in the same box. And I'm not gonna put arrow key on. Just left click to increase and right click to get it off. Just straightforward, just like that. And if you use gamepad, just push sound button to increase it and B button to cancel it out. I'm trying to connect my gamepad controller. It takes so long, whatever. Alright, right, and cancel it out. Or you want arrow key left, right. It's just set forward. Cancel, cancel, cancel. So, or you want not button. No, I don't have not button for mouse. Just left, right click. Or you want right click to increase, left click to decrease. But at this, but if I do that, I have to put arrow key. But this time, this one is just straightforward. You click it and then it increase. You left, you right click to cancel it. Like you cancel everything in this game, you're gonna right click anyway, and then just cancel it out one by one. If this one gonna cancel everything, yeah, I think I'm gonna put this increase confirm, but confirm reset and level up. So I have to change this one then to what? And then right click decrease, left click increase, and confirm as well to click that reset. And okay, on the right hand, I'm going to show yellow like before and after, 101 before, and then arrow key, and then after, so you can see the difference here, but I don't think you want to see it. It's okay. It's just a final stat that you see, and you want to see the old one, because just cancel it out. Right? Yes. Yep. That's it. Tomorrow I'm gonna do this on the right hand here. Maybe level as well. And confirm cancel. Right. That's all. Okay. Okay, that's it for today. Okay. So today I create a new script for stat modifier. Now you can increase, decrease stat using attribute points and ability points. And next time I'm gonna do before after the base stat that you're gonna get when you increase or when you increase attribute points or ability points. And I'm probably gonna do a level calculation as well, and confirm and cancel, and then save to database. Yeah. So that's it for today. Just increasing and decreasing because I was late today and it's raining again, so it can be shut off at any time. So let's finish this now. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy, and see you again next time. Have a good one. Bye now. Peace.